I want to start into the next topic. I got to start with a story. There was I was coming into class one day, and it was actually this class a few years ago. And there was I got here before everyone in the class did. There was a young man sitting right here, and his name was Philip. And I walked in, I said, and he was a health promotion student, so I knew him fairly well, back when we had far fewer students than we do now. And I said, "How you doing, Philip?" And he looked at me and he goes, "Oh, I'm so stressed." And you could just see it in his face, in his body. Everything was just, he was oozing with stress. And he was just sitting there, and he was eating some yogurt and just waiting for class to begin. I said, he was sitting where you are, and I said, "Tell me about it. Sounds like something's going on." And he goes, "Oh, you have no idea. And I said, "I'm interested. Let's talk." And so he said, "Well, I have 3 tests coming up. I haven't studied for any of them. I have 3 papers or 2 papers, I don't remember the number, that I haven't started on that are also due pretty soon. I'm having relationship problems with my wife. And the guy who I work with, he flipped houses. He was trying to get his own company where he would take a house and repair it all up and then sell it. And he said, the guy that I'm working with is trying to sue me." And I said, "Wow, that sounds like you got a lot of stuff going on." He goes, "Oh, it's just killing me. I haven't felt this stressed in ever." And he said, "What should I do?" And I said, "You're asking me what I think you should do?" And he had been in the stress management class. He knew about stress. But he said, "Yeah, whatever you tell, I'll do anything. Just tell me, what should I do because this stress is just killing me." And he wasn't getting any sleep. His health was going down the tubes, all those things. And I said, "You have to promise that you will do what I tell you to do." He said, "Will it work?" And I said, I guarantee it will work. Because I'm the expert, right? So-called. He said, "Anything, just tell me, what should I do?" And I said, "I want you to do one thing." He said, he said, "Should I write this down?" I said, "No, you'll remember." And I said, "I want you to enjoy your yogurt." And he looked at me with this, "The hell are you talking about?" kind of thing. But that's the right answer. And that's what you just said a minute ago, right? Now, I want to explain or play with you guys to explore why that's the right answer every time. And it doesn't diminish the importance of the guy suing him or his relationship with his wife or the tests that he had coming up, but he's sitting right here. Okay, I want you to get that in mind. He's sitting right here. All right? Now, I want to just explore a few things that I know for sure are true about how we think about things.